Donald Trump reveals top money strategies. Donald Trump went from real estate magnate to reality TV star to being elected the 45th president of the United States. Now, Donald Trump was not born poor, but he was the one who took the Trump brand to the top, making it a billion-dollar business. As of 2022, the entrepreneur and politician has a net worth of $3 billion. So what are the strategies he used to amass a net worth of billions of dollars? We shall find out in today's video. It's no surprise Donald Trump's secret to wealth are investments. The billionaire entrepreneur has been investing in assets for a long time now. And from this video, you will realize that you, the common man, can invest like Donald Trump as well, albeit on a much smaller level. Another thing to keep in mind is that Donald Trump has a diversified portfolio of investments, meaning he hasn't put his earning in just one asset but rather a multitude of assets. In fact, Brent Dickerson, a certified financial planner and owner of Trinity Wealth Management, said, "I'll bet that Donald Trump's financial advisors have his portfolio well diversified. For the average Jane or Doe out there, this can be a teachable moment to not put all your eggs into one basket." Let's take a look at the various investment strategies adapted by Donald Trump. Trump loves real estate. Does it come as any surprise? Trump, the developer who bought and profitably sold King Kong's former ruse, the Empire State Building, reported assets of at least $1.4 billion in real estate and other holdings, according to financial disclosures. He also showed $77.3 million from condo sales and $41.9 million in rent of his buildings during the 18th months before he filed his disclosure required to run for president. That accounts for a sizable amount of the $431 million in income Trump reported during the same period. The lesson here is clear. Trump built his portfolio to include real estate. You should therefore consider buying a rental property or, if you are already renting, your own home. Of course, you'd have to invest on a much smaller scale. Now, Trump's investments in real estate come with its risk. He has experienced several bankruptcies because of the high risk he has taken. But with the higher risks come even higher rewards in the form of high rental income. Dickerson said, "There are very few people who should be as focused as Donald Trump on real estate. The key to financial success on the mom and pop investor is diversification." The National Association of Realtors predicts that the average median sales price of existing homes across the country will rise to $220,300 by the end of 2022, up 5.8% from where it stood at the end of 2014. Homes in most markets across the country are increasing in value, making real estate a seemingly safe investment and one that Trump obviously still believes in. Find a bank with a big name. Trump has a lot of money. It's somewhat surprising then that he stows so much of it in one particular bank. According to Trump's disclosure, he has some $25 million in Capital One savings or checking accounts. Trump seems to prefer big-name banks for his dollars. The bank that he relies on second most is JP Morgan Chase. He has $5 million in accounts with this bank, according to his disclosure. So if you want to bank like Trump, big banks will be most attractive because they offer a full suite of financial services, in addition to your typical checking and saving accounts. Trump's investments in safe and proven stocks. From his disclosure, it seems that Trump doesn't take a ton of chances on risky stocks. He prefers buying stock from companies that already have a long history of success. Such stocks is more expensive, of course, but over the long haul, it has a history of strong performance. According to his disclosure, Trump holds stock in such corporate giants as Apple, General Electric, Conoco, Caterpillar, Bristol-Myers Squibb, and Morgan Stanley. If you are interested in playing the market like Trump, an easy way to invest in the largest companies is to use a diversified index fund that tracks the largest US stocks, typically any fund that follows the S&P 500. An index fund is a cheap way of building a well-diversified portfolio with good tax efficiency. Diversify income streams. Trump earned his fame with real estate, but that's not the only way he's built his wealth. Trump disclosure reveals a large number of income streams. CNBC reported that Trump, during the 18th months leading up to his disclosure, earned about $9.5 million in royalty for his branded vodka, hotels, bottled water, and energy drinks. CNBC said that Trump also earned some big money for speaking fees, including $450,000 for 3 speeches he gave for ACN Inc. The Wall Street Journal reported that Trump earned $8.6 million for operating an ice rink in New York City's Central Park and $580,000 from running a New York City carousel. His 15 golf courses earned him $176.4 million. He even earns an annual pension of $110,000 from the Screen Actors Guild, thanks to his TV appearances. Trump proves how important it is to have several income streams at one time. Finding ways to bring in extra income is a great defense against the risk of job loss, unexpected catastrophe, or even if you want to take an extra vacation. The majority of your income will probably come from your full-time job, but this doesn't mean that you can't invest in the stock market, saving bonds, or other investment vehicles as a way to boost your income. Many people turn to smaller side jobs to bring a new stream of income into your household budget. This additional income source is called a side hustle, and it can become your main source of income if you lose your primary hustle, Dickerson says. In today's economy, this is very important. Multiple income streams can be seen as diversifying your paychecks. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this one. Thank you for watching.